Hello guys, today we have a problem with this ironing. It's totally dead and I'm gonna show you how to fix this and repair this without any replacement like this. And I'm gonna show you a simple step to repair this. Okay, let's get started. It is a Phillips Affinia. I already opened this and this ironing is totally dead. And it's usually a simple problem with cleaning. I've been repairing several ironing from Philips also, and usually all of them having a same problem. It's a simple problem with cleaning. First you need to open this blue cover. There are two screws here going up to through here. I'm using this spudger to pick up the edge, and also there are a lock plastic here. You need to be careful, don't make it breaks. And then the second things is you need to open this knob. You can pull up the knob gently because it has a clip here, several clip, and then you can open the first layer. And the second layer we have 3 screws, 1 2 3. You need to also open, and you can go down here, the bottom layer of our ironing. So this is the most common problem. Usually all this dust or clothing dust, you need to clean the switch, the thermostat switch here, because usually they are covered with this. Usually they are covered with this dust. You need to make a cleaning, and you need to make sure there are a connection from the switch. Now I'm gonna try to clean this from the dust, and later we're gonna test also other components, the heating elements, the thermofuse. We need to check also. Okay, after we're cleaning this ironing base, as you can see, the dust is gone, and the next step you need to do is, I'm usually using this WD-40 spray, or you can use any other oil lubricant. Usually I'm spraying this area, this thermostat switch. Okay. And sometimes if you see some corrosion going on there, you need to scratch a little bit so the rust is gone and it will not blocking the connection from these plates. So sometimes you need to scratch it a little bit to make sure the plate has a good connection with other plates. And usually try to make it a rotation several times, so the oil lubricant will make the rotation smooth and remove all the dust and the corrosion. Yeah, that's it. That's the simple thing you can do to fix this ironing. Usually it has only corrosion problem or a dust problem blocking the connection here. And if this process is not working for you, then you may need to check the other components. The most important parts from this ironing is this. This is a fuse, thermostat's fuse, and this heating element. This V shape, it has a heating element inside. Sometimes it's broken, it has no connection. You can check from both ends here. The orange rubber here, we have 2 orange. We need to check. For example, here I'm using a multimeter. We can choose a omega testing. This is the symbol omega. It's supposed to be a reading from both ends from the heating element. Yes, we have reading 47.3. So the heating element is still good condition, it's still working. And the next step is you need To check the fuse, the thermo fuse, it will cut off itself when it reaches several degrees of Celsius. We can choose the diode and continuity test. This is the symbol. So when you connect all the two probes, it will be beeping. It's showing a connection. So for a fuse, we can check from here, and another white cable, the other end is going to here. Going to here, back side. Yes, we have a connection from both ends of the fuse, so it is still good. So yeah, this is the problem, the only problem. It has a blockage of the dust or rust or anything. You need to clean this, the thermo switch, you need to clean, and it will working again. Okay, let's put all back together and make a test. Okay, I already plugged the power and let's try. And yeah, it's turned on now. I think we solved the problem today. And that's how you fix the ironing. And I think we solved the problem today. And with a simple step, only just need cleaning. I hope this is help, and thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future. Thank you very much. Terima kasih.